In a divorce proceedings, what will the court consider before ordering maintenance? Now, the first thing the court is going to consider is the earning capacity of the parties. In other words, the court is going to check how much is this person earning, what is the asset of this particular individual. You cannot just come to court and ask the court that the court should give you maintenance of 2 million, maintenance of 10 million, 50 million, when the man or the woman who you're asking compensation for is barely surviving to it. So if the court gives that order, as regarding that maintenance, how will the person, how is the person expected to meet up to that? So the court looks at the earning capacity of the party. The court also look at the conduct of the party, the behavior of the party. How is the person, behaving? Another thing the court looks at is the length of marriage. How many years have these people been married? You don't expect someone who had lived, maybe got married for 25 years, 30 years, to just leave that marriage empty-handed. So the court is going to look at the length of the marriage. Okay, how many years have these guys, been staying together? And the court will look at the details, the context, the behavioral pattern in that particular marriage before the court arrives at that. The court will also consider the standard of living of the party. How are they living together? For instance, if is the person who maybe before the divorce, the person lives in an estate, and that has been the lifestyle of the person always living in an estate. Suddenly, they are about to get divorced, and you expect that person to go and live in a room self-contained. It's not going to work. You then have to pay maintenance and ensure that the person's standard of living is maintained. But you see, all these things, it's the court that will determine them. I'm only telling you what is contained in the law, what is contained in the books, and what is contained in several judicial precedents. But when you get to court, when you are carrying out your own divorce case, definitely those are the things you should be expecting. And as well, you can choose not to ask for maintenance. It's all personal. If you gain value from the video, share it in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to give me a follow. Like this video so you keep getting more data content like this. Thank you.